Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to write an article on LinkedIn. First of all, you can write articles only if you are using the desktop version of LinkedIn, like on your computer. You can do it on your smartphone, and to do this it's very simple. You have just to open LinkedIn and you go here. As you can see, there is an option where you can post, but this one is for writing article. You have just to click on it, and after that you have two choices. The first one is to start writing your article by yourself like this, or you can upload your article from your computer. Of course, you will have a lot of styling options to put links, to make lists, and like to make the text bold, italic, and things like that. And after that, you can manage your article, you can preview it, duplicate it, like schedule it, publishing, putting as draft, or create a newsletter from it. After that, you can click next. You should have put title, click next. And after that, it tells you that your article is ready and you can publish it so anyone can find this article and read it. Or you can put it also like create brand like partnership with it, and control also who can comment your article. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.